There's a ball. There's a ball, bud. There's a ball. He's like, I can't pick this up, Mom. That's just...
Get a ball.
Get a ball.
Get a ball.
He's like, that's a tease, Mom. That's a tease, Mom.
Get a ball. Get a ball.
Get it.
Get a ball.
Get it.
You good boy. Get it.
Otis has no brakes. Otis is like, I'm trying. Can you get it? That'll dullen up your nails a bit, Moose. That's just a tease. Get it, Moo. Get it, Odie. Life with a bulldog. He's like, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. If I could only fit my mouth around it. I know, folks. I know. It's not a soccer ball. Ooh, don't run him over. Moose, moose. Moose, moose. I kick it for you? Here, Moose. Right here. Moose, get here. Come here. Look. Get it. Get it.
Get that ball.
Can I kick it?
Get that ball. Get that ball.
Come on, let's go. Let's go. Moose, moose. Yeah, he's around the corner.
Get a ball.
Otis is a freak. He's like, I gotta get it. If only Otis could wrap his mouth around that. Oh, almost. Oh, he got it. Good boy, Toad.
Otis. 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 Move.
Don't eat that. He's like, watch me.
Get that ball.
Get a ball. Oh, the Moose is like, no, I'll just get the blocks. Don't eat that.
Give me that ball. Give me that ball. Move.
I think he put a hole in it. Tug of war. Moose is like, this is not fair. He's a spicy little tamale.
Get it, Moose. Get it.
Moose is like, one tug.
Get it, Moose. Get the ball.
You're just a spicy guy, Odie. Easy. Be nice. Keep them there.
Get that ball.